Good afternoon. This is Institute of Hotel Management. I am Bankim Joardar. On behalf of the Quantity Food Production Training Kitchen, I am very much lucky to present a dish which has been taken from the Chambal region. This dish is an item which is originally from the village area of Chambal part. Today we are going to make dharin ki kadi. Now let us have a look at the ingredients which we are using for this particular preparation. We have got the Bengal gram flour, that is besan. Then we have got the Indian spices, that is red chili powder here. Then turmeric powder, then cumin seeds whole, then asafoetida and salt. Apart from that, we have got the whole spices. In the whole spices, we will include the long, that is clove, bay leaf, dry red chili whole, that is black peppercorn, and then we have got the dalchini. After that, we have got the oil, and this is the curd. Now we will show you what is dharin ki kadi. Dharin is nothing but a kind of besan cake. This is made by making a mixture of besan, cooking the water on flame. In the water, we will add the dry spices, we will add the whole spices and salt to taste. After that, we will add besan into it and we will start cooking the besan and the water mixture on a reduction process. When the water will be evaporated out and it will be thickened slowly, we will just take it out and we will demold it inside a greased tray. After that, we will allow it to sit for some time, and after that, when it sits properly, we will cut into small pieces. This will be known as dharin. And as far as the curry is concerned, and this is a very common fact, what is curry? Curry is nothing but it's a mixture of besan again, and within that particular curry, which will be made by using cooking besan in water, but the consistency will be little liquidy, and inside that we will transfer the dharin cakes inside it, and we will what we will do is we will make a mixture of Bengal gram flour and the beaten curd properly. After we make the mixture, we will place the mixture on flame. We will add some water as per the requirement. Inside it, we will add the Indian spices, namely the red chili powder and the turmeric powder. Then we will add salt to taste. We will allow it to cook for some time. When we will get the sensation of doneness into it, we will add the dharin cakes into it. Then we will further cook it so that due to the development of the thickness, it will become a little bit thick. And when it will be done properly, we will add tempering by using all the whole spices by sauteing in the oil. When the dish will be ready, we will present it under the name of dharin ki kadi. That was all about the dish. Thank you. See how dharin ki kadi is made. Now this is the kadai where we have got the water. Inside the water, we have added the Indian spices and little bit salt to taste. Now the water is almost boiling. It is hot enough, and here we have got the besan and the curd mixture which has been well beaten. You can see the texture. This is neither very much thin nor very much thick. It is just like thread making texture. Now we will take this mixture and add inside the kadai slowly. You are seeing that no lump is there. Now what we will do is we will mix it very carefully so that the evaporation takes place properly, and if it forms lump, what we can do is we can take the help of the beater also. If you use the beater, what will happen? It will not form the lump. We can see it is thickening slowly. Either you will steer anti-clockwise or clockwise. That will depend upon your taste or the use of your hand. If you are left-handed person, you can work anti-clockwise or else clockwise. We are seeing that it's thickening. Lump formation is taking place. We will just do it little bit fast so that the lump formation does not take place. We can see the color is also changing. It's almost done. Yes. It's smelling very nice. Evaporation is almost done. Now, due to overcooking, it can change the color little bit, but make sure that the temperature does not fluctuate very much. Now, after it is cooked well, we will transfer inside a grease tray. So we will wait for that. How the dharin cake is looking like. The cake is in front of us. This is a dharin piece of the things which we are going to add into the curry. It's looking like a triangular barfi, but it is salted in taste. So this is the thing which will be added to the curry. We will see in the later stage. How the tempering is added into it. We will see that the oil is being heated up. Inside it, we will first of all transfer cumin seeds. Then hing. After that, all the ingredients together. We will saute. When the flavor comes out, we are sure that it's well done. After that, we will transfer the whole thing inside the food. You can see how the texture is. We will just mix it little bit. It's still simmering. I can sense the flavor which is coming out. It's mouth-watering. Now the thing is ready. Just have a look. We will see how dharin ki curry is presented. We have presented it in a traditional manner in an earthenware container. We can see that the earthenware container and the color of dharin ki curry is how like different. Earth is an element which is very much natural and it does not create any negative impact in the health of the human body. Earthenware container has got other characteristic feature like it releases an earthy flavor inside the dish which is very much liked by the consumers or the villagers. That is why this particular container is used, and it is believed that if it is served in earthenware container, it maintains the traditional touch also. Thank you.